Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one else want to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blonde y se cae Dolores. Ella quiere.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscribers, was popping. For the one that always been this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. So welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's praying. I hope everybody's staying positive and keeping your head up. Never forget to keep your head up, man. And always pray. Like I say, man, stay positive. So in today's video, I'm gonna be putting 2 videos in one, cause sometimes I like to, you know, take videos and like try to start a video and then don't really finish it just cause I'm in the process and doing stuff, you know, just worry about life and just worry about what I'm into, and I forget to record, you know, the process or, and you know, just complete the whole video. But I have the videos, I have 2 videos in one. And somebody from my community hit me up. He see, and he was told by people that you know, I work on bikes, I paint bikes, I restore bikes. So he brought me up one of his racing bike that he had for a while, and he had it up in the basement for a while, and he wanted, you know, he wanted it to get done, and he wanted to start riding it, you know, for next year. So he hit me up, and I got him right. So that's gonna be one of the videos that I'm gonna do, just a little restoration on it, you know, frame, paint work, and just cleaning up the bike and just putting it together for he could ride it for next year. And the second video is gonna be trunk and treat, you know, for Halloween, for the kids, man, for the community. You know, I hook the community up. I got you know, I got drinks donated through my job, and you know, they looked out, like they always look out, man, and I appreciate my job, you know, for doing stuff like that and helping me out, that I could, you know, proceed, you know, with the community, and help the community out, you know. And it was a big turnout in the trunk and treat. I don't know if anybody else does the trunk and treat everywhere else, but over here is pretty big, you know, where I live at. So let's get to the video, guys. Enough talking, and let's get straight to the video. Let's go. Bam. Alright, so right here we got a bike frame for a friend of mine's. He contacted me for I could paint it and get it back together. So that's what we're about to do. So we got this bike right here and got the paint off. Nice and smooth now. Ready to get painted. As well as the fork. Ready to get painted. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Got the rims right there, the wheels. Alright, so this is how we got the baby. He wanted a name on his, Racer 4, and we got it for him. You know, all I gotta do on this is put some clear coat, which should be good. And I got this baby here. Got a little nice design on it. R4 for Racer 4. I know. So that's what we got going on right now, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? So we got the clear coat process right now. see the name on it, Racer 4. So we got going on. I also got the fork right here, which I gotta get a clear coat as well. Yeah, wait for another hour or so on this to heal. What's up, guys? We got the bike ready. Racer 4, that's the name he wanted. That's the name he picked. Alright guys, so I got the bike put on together. You know, I usually don't work on bike like this, but it's a bike, so you know what I mean, it's not off my radar, you know what I mean? So, you know, I got it done. I got the crank on, I got everything on. I had to look on YouTube for how to put this on right here, but I got it on. Looks simple, but it gave me a trouble with the wheels, how to put the tires back on, but that was really nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is what we got going on right now. Let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, so I told the guy that he needed new grips, brakes, and some pedals. And that's what he got, and I installed them for him. What you guys think? The color I did, y'all can see, nice little R4 for Racer 4. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscribers was popping. And for the one that always been this is day one, mad love, I appreciate you. So we over here in my town's Trunk and Treat. As y'all can see, this shit about to be lit. See all the people right there waiting. So we're about to have fun. I got my son right here, Mr. Clean. Hey. So we're about to have a good time here and, you know, give out drinks to the community, to the kids, man. So we're about to have a good time now and see where we go out from here. Oh, we got set up. I'm gonna show you my setup. Hold up. So we're over here with our setup. Look at the lowrider bike. Take the whole move, bro. We got a setup right there. We got the drinks right here we're gonna hand out. We got the homie right here. About to be a good time, man. Look at all the people that's waiting. Got Mr. Clean right here. Say something for YouTube. Yeah. Yep. Can't speak. What's up? Say something for the YouTube. Ooh, Rey Mysterio. Hey, my man, fresh. So Rey Mysterio. We're about to have a good time out here, guys. There's more cars out there. Way more trunks. What? Oh, that Mysterio, you know, baby. The legend. Oh, it's a cool boy. It's a cool guy. Oh, you know it, man. The shit was wild, man. We had a good ass time, right, Jay? Yes. We ran out of juice.
We ran out of everything.
Mad quick. That's it. We started at 6. We ran out of juice. We had 400 juices, man. We ran out in what? In half an hour. So we had to go get more. We had to go get candy. So that's where we at. Oh, my bad. What's up, guys? So what y'all think about the video? Like I said, that chunk and treat was awesome. It was something that I love to do, you know, with the community. I gotta stay with the community, man. I gotta do what I gotta do in my town. And a lot of kids, you know, love the lowrider scene, the culture scene, and you guys, you know, keep that alive. You know, because some people be like, oh man, I haven't seen one of them bikes for years, you know, but you got to keep it alive, you know what I mean? You got to keep it moving, you got to keep the motion going, you know what I mean, with the lowrider culture and everything. And with the bike, man, what y'all thought about the bike? How y'all thought it came out? You know, I think it came out pretty cool, pretty nice. That's what he wanted. He wanted something, you know, simple, nothing too crazy. He just wanted it painted where he could ride it next year. And that's what I did, man. I just gave him what he wanted, you know, and just a little bit more in it, you know what I mean? Like, what I like to do is, you know, I like to take care of my customers. I like to take care of my peoples, you feel me? You come to me with something, man, I'm gonna take care of you, you know? But, man, yeah, like I said, man, I love what I'm doing right now, and if you love something, guys, just keep doing it, you feel me? Like, just keep doing what you love to do. Don't stop, and like I always say, keep building, keep riding, and keep living, guys. Stay up, and God bless. To the next video.